I am every woman, it's all in me. Anything you want done, baby, I do it naturally. Whoa, 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 whoa. I am every woman, it's all in me. Anything you want done, baby. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whatever you want, whatever you need, anything you want done, baby, I'll do it naturally. 'Cause I'm every woman. It's all in me. It's all in me. Ooh, yeah. Welcome, my beautiful people, to Miss LPD's channel called I'm Every Woman. I'm a mother, a daughter, a sister, a friend, a colleague, and a lover. It's all in me. So if you're looking for all things women, sit back, relax, and enjoy. That's not to say if you are not a woman, you are not welcome to my channel. Oh no, you are more than welcome. The more, the merrier, especially if you want to understand the women in your life a little better. For those who are seeing me for the first time, welcome. I hope you make this your new home. I hope you stay. In this house, we're all about good vibes. We're all about happiness. We're all about living our dreams. We're all about empowering each other. So the aim for my channel is, as much as I'll be dealing or talking about all things women, anything that has to do with women, I'm also about spreading the cheer, spreading the love, spreading the happiness. I'm about motivating, inspiring, um, entertaining, of course, which is why I like to start by singing. But more than anything, to educate, because we get to learn so much from one another. Well, in this case, because it's my channel and you're watching me, I'm going to try to do my bit to educate. So if you're seeing me for the first time, you're not very late. I'm still pretty new in these YouTube streets. This is like my 7th episode, but if I don't include the episodes where I'm reading books for kids, it's like my 3rd episode. Okay, about the reading the books situation. I have episodes that are dedicated on just reading isiZulu books to the little ones. So it's storybooks for kids where I try to improve isiZulu to our kids. In my case, well, I don't have grandkids yet, but I mean, but 3 kids are all grown up now. Uh, Perhaps, who knows? A few years from now, I might just be having grandchildren. So that channel is all about trying to instill a little more of isiZulu to our kids and grandkids, so that they may appreciate it more, so they may understand it more. So I just tell those isiZulu short stories. I try my best to make them interesting, and there's always a lesson at the end of it. So please do invite your kids on those days when I read the isiZulu books. Okay. Otherwise, this is quite a grown-up channel. We are talking about really grown-up and serious stuff. But when I'm reading the Zulu books, this is Zulu books. Oh, you guys are more than welcome to invite your youngsters to join you. So today's episode is about a vlog of the amazing, wonderful weekend getaway that I experienced with my friends. The other day, I explained about my group of friends. So it's still the same group that I went to, that I had a spa day with. By the way, if you haven't watched that episode, the spa day vlog, please go back and watch it. Okay. Um, so it's the same friends, but this time we had our partners. So it was a weekend getaway with my fabulous friends and our partners. Unfortunately, I didn't have my partner could not make it. So I was with my friend. My friend's husband could not make it as well. So me and her were like a couple. Um, we went to the south of Joburg. Oh my gosh, that place is amazing. It's so beautiful. It's not even funny. The way it's so beautiful, you forget you are in Joburg. It's like you're somewhere, maybe in the Mpumalanga province, or I don't know, maybe in the Drankensberg. It's absolutely beautiful, and we had so much fun. The five-star treatment that we experienced there, we did not expect that. So and our friend and her husband decided to spoil us. All expenses paid. How lucky we were. How lucky we are to have friends like those. All expenses paid. We can get away. Like I said, with our partners, just to appreciate life. It was like a gratitude type of celebration. We're celebrating life, being grateful for all the things that life has brought us. You know, balulekile appreciate, just appreciate, just to be alive. You should show gratitude for that. Having friends around, still having your family, you know, um, you should show gratitude. So yeah, we were very touched. We did not. It really exceeded our expectation. All the attention to the tea that this friend of mine and her husband did for us. Oh, God bless their souls. They're super generous. So I'm gonna talk more after the video of the vlog. Enjoy. Abantu sebefikile la siyakhona sesisala. I wish basinciphela ubumnandi. Basinciphela ubumnandi. Baphumele umama nkosana sihambe bathonga. Ready to bounce. Weekend is loading. Your weekend and cool is loading. Soon you're gonna be out of here. Akela siyaphi. Aze kamnandi. Aze kwalit.
But yeah, in nature, this is uncommon for good reason. If you're a prey species and you stand out, chances are you're going to be targeted. So she's lucky because there's no large enough predator that would cause her harm. When she was a newborn, yes, the jackals might.
Woo! Makeup him Danny. Let the night begin. We ready? We are so ready. Oh, darling. Catching teardrops with my hands, my heart racing wild. Moving on that wild forever. Something has to don't know why I did wrong. I don't know why I did wrong. I don't know why I did Feel free to join us on the dance floor. Go on. Hey, 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 come on. Hey. Don't make my soul garbage fast. We're getting to it now, won't you die? We're getting to it all, get past the sea. Cause all I do is think about you. All I do, yeah, baby. Think about you. All I do is think about you. Yeah, baby. Think about you. It's think about you. Come on, let's break it down too. Come on, say it. Then can't play it. Come on, say it. Back to baby. Say I think you baby. Come on, say it. Back to baby. Sing it, baby. Say thank you, baby. Say that to baby. Sing it. What a night. What a night. I'm sure you enjoyed that video. Welcome back. And I hope you did see just how much fun we had that weekend. Oh my goodness. For me, the best part was in the evenings on Friday nights when we had the braai and the dancing and everything, and also on Saturday nights when there was live. Okay, even on Friday there was, the saxophone guy was serenading us at first, and then later on there was the DJ on the decks. Um, Same thing on Saturday. There was a live show. Oh my word, that woman, she really blew my socks off. In fact, the entire band, and the guy was playing the drums. Stole the show as well. Oh my goodness me, we just had fun. And I haven't been on a game drive in such a long time. So you guys may just consider going to this place. You see, I'm part of educating you. I'm educating you about some fun places in Joburg that you may go and visit with your family, with your friends. Um, I'm sure some of you were not aware of this Taba Eco Hotel. It comes highly recommended by me, that's for sure. Oh my goodness, all that dancing, all that singing. I'm the type of woman who sings along with the music. That's just me. I love singing, you know, I love dancing, I love music. So, with all the dancing that we did, I thought that when I come back on Sunday, I'll just be like a log. I'd be so tired. But as in, ngibonile ukuthi, I still have got it in me. This kokwane esane energy. I was super impressed at myself because honestly, I thought, yo, for sure I'm gonna sleep the whole Monday. No, uh-uh. I was home on Sunday around 2, and I managed to do this and that, and had a normal, sleep like like later at night, like 9 o'clock. That's when I went to bed. So I guess I still have, you know, what it takes to boogie the night away. Yeah, vele ngimi vele ngithanda energy nje kakhulu kabi. Manje shower age ukuthi like at my age you can't just be all over the place. So you have to try and just take it easy because you don't want people thinking, "Hi, bo manje skipani ngalogoko." But if kuya ngami, I would still be going out till the morning because I still can't do that. Amazingly, at my age, yes, I still can't do that. So, you guys, one of the things about my channel is that I'm here representing senior citizens. Let's we deserve to have fun. It's not the end for us. Please, let's not think like that. We're only good enough to just be abogogo who take care of grandkids and just stay home and take care of our husbands or partners and just cook for them and make sure the house is clean. And no, we still we still deserve to have fun. We still are allowed to go out the whole night if we have to. So nje limit, guys. Limit. Life is so short, hey? Before you know it, life is over, and you look back and you're like, what did I do with my life? Just because now as I'm a senior citizens. It's just that when you're still young, I mentioned this the other day, that when you're still young, you think, oh my gosh, 50. Oh, she's so old. And then you get to 50 and you still look like this. You realize 50 ain't bad. It ain't that bad, hey? I still can do this and that. I also mentioned on my first episode where I was introducing myself, the get to know me episode. Please go back and watch it if you haven't. I mentioned that I still have plans to do so many things like bungee jumping, skydiving, deep sea, what, scuba diving. Those are all the things I still want to do. And hey, why not? If I have, the health, as long as my doctor gives me the go ahead, then why not? And so far, so good health wise. I feel I still need to ziplock. I've never done that. I look forward to doing that. And I am going to do it. I really do intend to live my best 50s. I just want to explore and have adventure and just, you know, live my best life. I'm just trying to motivate you guys out there. Don't spend your lives just flopped on the couch in front of the TV day in, day out. No, that's not life. Please do still go out there and have fun, explore, mingle, meet people. If you don't have a partner and you still feel like you need love in your life, you need intimacy, hey, why not? Put yourself out there. Nobody's gonna come knocking at your door, to get a partner. You are not. It's not gonna happen. It's just not. Nobody's gonna come looking for you. Unfortunately, you have to put yourself out there to be noticed and make an effort and be open to being approached. I've seen some women my age. If a man comes their way with that body language like "I want you, baby," the woman is already frowning and don't do that. Be nice, smile. show that kind face, that approachable face, then if you're not up to it, or if he's not your kind of vibe, like if he's not your type, the guy, you can just, respectfully tell him, some other excuse, but in a nice way, rather than just being this, stay away from me. And if you've been unlucky in love, it doesn't mean it's the end. I mentioned this idiom yesiZulu ethi akulahlwa mbeleko ngakufelwa. Just because it didn't work out with the last love life, it doesn't mean you are doomed in the love department. Still put yourself out there, still give love a chance. You know, mnandi ukuba emathandweni, mnandi ukujola, mnandi ukuba someone who just cares for you, who's gonna check up on you, how you doing and stuff, just gonna give you love. And men, please give us love. It's nice and simple. If you listen to the lyrics of the song, I'm every woman. This woman is so in love with her man. She's like, I'd do anything for you. I'm every woman. Anything you want, baby, I'll do it naturally. You don't have to you don't have to even compare. I got it. Don't compare and say, oh, she's paid too much for me. I got it, baby. I get layer rates for those who don't mind paying. I happen to mind. If you're gonna be my partner, you better be prepared to pay. I'm old school like that. Unfortunately, that's fine, and it's some of us don't have a problem to. Maybe it's because I don't really have what it takes to pay for the man, but really, Mina, I'm really, old fashioned like that. I expect the man to pay. But anyway, let me not ramble too much. Yeah, please don't forget to subscribe. Those who are watching me for the first time, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you're gonna come back. There's still more to explore in this channel. There's still more to enjoy. Yeah, all things women. We cook, we bake. We don't only talk about issues. We also cook and bake. Talk about home decor. Talk about family. Just like when my channel begins, when I say I'm a mother, it means we're gonna delve into being a mother. Being a sister, being a friend, being a daughter. I'm blessed. I still have my parents. Being a colleague, because I've done so many jobs, and also being a lover. So you're going to be talking about all those aspects in this channel. So I'm all woman. I'm all that. I'm all those things. I'm all woman, baby. So I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Don't forget about the isiZulu stories that I read for your little ones. Please tune in with them, and please do subscribe and tell your friends that there's this new mama in town who's improving the isiZulu for our little ones, and make it interesting. I make the isiZulu stories interesting, and there's always a lesson at the end, and they get to improve their Zulu. Imagine 4 in 1. So really, you need to give that a chance and just watch those episodes, even if you don't have grandkids or your kids, even just for yourself. Because trust me, those stories are entertaining. Just to hear me speak Zulu, and can pick up a few things. Like I the other day I was reading the girl who saved a cat. I had no idea another name for the cat is unyawo. I only know it as ikati. Okay, I knew about the umangobe, but unyawo, I had no idea. A cat is also called unyawo. I had no idea that a baby cat is called, what is it called again? So now I've forgotten. Okay, I've drawn to a blank. Oh gosh, I really have forgotten. Like, I didn't know that a little cat, a baby cat, is in Zulu is called umtini. I had no idea. So I also learn as much as I teach you guys. That's why I'm saying we'll be educating each other. It's not only about me, as much as it's my channel. You guys are more than welcome on the comment section to, you know, say a thing or two. And please don't forget that some people don't know where to find the clickable link. So, because as much as I read the stories in isiZulu, I take trouble of typing out the entire story in English. So there's a typed English version of the story, and I paste a clickable link on the description box. Some people don't understand where the description box is. um there's the video, then below the video there's the little explanation, like caption of what the episode is all about, and then there is like more and dot dot dots. So you click on more, and then that whole description box is going to expand, and then you see that there's a clickable link there which will lead you to the typed English version of the story. Okay, I've spoken enough. Till next time, love you guys. Take care. Till next time, bye bye.